If you've ever struggled to type in a long phrase that you use regularly on the iPad, we can use a built-in tool inside of your iPad to make it easier to type in that long phrase each time you see it. We're going to start by clicking on the Settings app. That's the gray icon. Under the General category, we're going to scroll to Keyboard. We're then going to use Text Replacement. Here you can add a wide variety of text replacement phrases, things that you'll type in short form to get the much longer form in the text field. I'm going to click the plus button in the far upper right. The phrase is the long form of what we'd like entered when we type in our shortcut phrase. In this case, I'm going to use my student email address. That's a long phrase. Now let's use a much shorter shortcut, which is what I'll actually type in to get the longer phrase. It's important to note your shortcut should not be something that you would ever type regularly, as whatever you type will be replaced. So for instance, never just using the first part of your email address. So I'm going to type by at. Whenever I type by at, it'll give me the much longer phrase. I click Save in the upper right, and now I have a new text replacement shortcut. So let's test it out. So now that we're in the Notes app, let's try out our shortcut. We're just going to type that shortcut phrase, and I'm going to hit Return. And there you can see it replaces all of the text so that when the next time you're logging into something where you need a long email address like this, you can type in your shortcut and make it easy.